Hi, I'm Aaron from A&S Tech. Today we're going to be showcasing the topex mobi1 GSM gateway. We're going to show you how within half an hour you can set this device up to send SMSs straight from Outlook and also receive SMS messages from your customers directly to your inbox. So let's have a look at how it's set up. The first step involved in installing the topex mobi link is to install the SIM card. So let's take this out here. Pop the SIM card in like that. Make sure it's secure. And just slide that in there like that. The second step involves in screwing in the antenna, so just place that in there carefully like that and just screw it in to finger tightness. The third step involves plugging in the power. After plugging in the SIM card and the power and the antenna, the next step is to configure the device. In order to configure the device, we need to plug in a Cat5 cable from your computer to the device. The default IP address for the device is listed on the bottom, which is 192.168.173.1. What we need to do is configure our computer on the same subnet as that device and make a connection to it via its web interface. So let's have a look at how we do that. So we're just going to log into the topex GSM gateway. I've already pre-configured the gateway device with an IP address on our subnet, and it's https://192.168.1.233. But if you're configuring this device for the first time, it will be https://192.168.173.1. So let's just go to that now, and you'll need to log into it. First of all, you need to click on administration pages, and then I've already logged in, so it's cached my password, but you'll need to log in with the username admin, and then the password will be 99admin11. Once you're in there, the first thing you need to change is the IP settings. So if you click on network and then IP settings, you need to change this from 192.168.173.1 to whatever your subnet is. So in this case we're running a .1 subnet, so we're using the IP address on this device as 192.168.1.233, and then put in your default gateway address, normally your router, and your DNS server. We're using the router as the DNS server in this instance. Click save and then commit. So after you've changed those settings, you need to click on SMS and then click to and from email. In the to and from email settings, before you start configuring the topex device, you need to set up a POP3 account with your POP3 server. And so you need to put in the POP3 server address, and after you've put in the POP3 server address, put in the username and password and the default interval time to check for the mail. So what will happen is when someone sends an email to that POP3 account, the topex device will go out, it will check the email, and it will look at the address bar, and then in the address bar it will then send the SMS to the phone number that's in the address bar. So the next setting you need to change is the SMS to email settings. As you can see here, we've clicked on enable for this device, and we've put in our email address that we want the emails to appear from, and we also put the email address where we want the SMSs to be routed to. Now you need to put in the SMTP server here. I've put in my ISP's SMTP server, and I've chosen the SMTP protocol and the default port of port 25. Now if you're not using your ISP or your internal exchange server to relay the SMTP messages, you'll need to, if you're using an alternate SMTP server, you'll need to probably put in a username and password, and for that just click on log in and then put in the appropriate username and passwords there, and if it's using port 25, just leave it as the default. Now the next step is to actually send an email to the SMS device. So to do this, we're just going to type in our address that we're sending the email to. So I'm going to write sms@andstech.com.au, and I'm going to put in the phone number that I want to send the email to, the phone number I want to send the SMS to. Now you can send multiple, you can send the SMS to multiple users at one time. Just put a space in between the mobile numbers. And the next step you need to do is you need to change the format to plain text, otherwise the topex device will not send the SMS message. So after you've changed that to plain text, click on send, and the topex device will pick that email up and forward an SMS to the appropriate mobile. I hope you've enjoyed this presentation of the topex GSM gateway device. Should you have any inquiries in regards to where to purchase one of these devices, please give us a call on 07 3173 1445. Alternatively, you can contact us on email at info@andstech.com.au. Thank you.